Hello kids, today we are going to learn another sound, the sound of bird. This one is bird and another one is curl. Let's begin our vocabulary for bird. First we have broom, broom. Next, this one is a beautiful bright, bright. Next, we also have this in our heads, and that is brain, brain. And what color is it? Yes, that's correct. It's brown, brown. Let's go to the cr sound. I know you know this is a red crab, crab. This one is not an alligator, but a crocodile, crocodile. We also have here crayon, crayon. And this is not an ice cream, but it's cream, cream. And for your structure, teacher will ask, do you have a? You'll say, yes, I do. No, I don't. Example, do you have a crayon? Yes, I do. Next, do you have a crocodile or do you have here a broom? No, I don't. Do you have a crab? Yes, I do. Look at this one. Do you have a bride? No, I don't. And this time, let's read our short sentence. Look at this picture. We can say, the bride has a brown broom. The bride has a brown broom. And that is the end of our lesson today. Bye kids!